Hello po, Uyen.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm I'm oh
Very good. You look beautiful today. Nice. Okay, now look at your book. Are you ready?
yeah.
Great. So we are in lesson 8.1, all about toys. Okay, now look, listen, and sing along.
Toys, toys, toys. I
I'd
like
like
to
to
share.
share
Toys,
toys,
toys, toys.
toys.
Let's
Let's
play
play
together. My name is Mike. I am a boy. I like to play. I have many toys I like to share. Let's play together.
together.
I have a ball.
Apple,
I have a train.
a
I have
train,
a sheep.
a ship.
I
I
have a
have a
plane.
train, a
Airplane.
I
plane,
have a car.
a
I
car. I
have a
have a
boat.
cup, a
Airboat.
boat.
I
I
have a
have a
bike.
bike, a
Airbike.
I
bike.
have
I
a
have a
robot.
robot, a
Airobot.
robot.
Toys,
Toys,
toys.
toys, toys.
I
I'd
like
like
to
to
share.
share
Toys,
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 toys.
toys.
Let's
Let's
play
play
together.
together. Wow. Okay, look. What's this? Ball.
Ball.
Great. Train.
Train.
Plane.
Plane.
Ship.
Ship. Car.
Very good.
Boat.
Boat.
Boat. Bike. Robot.
Yay. Give me a high five. Very good, Uyan. Okay, now Uyan, look, listen, and say.
Ball.
Ball.
Okay, what is it?
Ball.
It's a ball.
Yes. A ball.
Very good. Do you have a ball?
No, I don't.
Nice. Look at the ball. What color? What color?
Pink.
It,
Yes. A pink.
yay. Okay, say it's pink.
Is pink.
Very good. Okay, look, listen.
Doll.
The
Very good. What is it?
the
It's
it
a
is a the
nice. Do you have a doll?
yes I do.
Amazing. Okay, now look, what is it?
Robot.
Robot.
Very good. Do you have a robot?
No, I don't.
Nice. Okay, now last one. What is it? It's a
Is a robot.
nice. What color?
Is blue.
Very good. Okay, listen.
Train.
Green.
One more. Train.
Train.
Yay. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga. Do you have a toy train? Yes or no?
No, I don't. No,
That's all
no, I don't.
right. Okay, now look at the train. What color is it?
It's yellow.
Very nice. Give me a high five, Uyen. Wow. Okay, now look.
Car.
Car.
Great. How many cars?
Three. Car.
How many?
Three cars.
Very good. Okay, do you like a car?
No, I don't.
That's all right. Okay, look, listen, and say.
Plane.
Tin.
One more. Plane. Plane.
Plane. Plane.
Great job. What is it?
Plane.
It's a
Is a plane.
yay. What color?
Is yellow.
Very good, Uyen. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay, now look, listen, and read. Okay. What have you got?
I have got a car.
Okay. How many cars have you got?
I have got three cars.
Yay. Say 3 cars.
Three cars.
Yay. Okay, now let's practice. Look, read, and number.
Four.
There is one example. A ball. Where is the ball? It's number 1. Now your turn.
Robot.
Very good. Where is the robot? Robot.
Robot.
Okay, look and write a number. Okay, ball. Look, look, look. A ball, number 1. Now, how about the robot? Robot. Where is the robot? Very good. What number? Nice. Okay, now look. Look. 3
Three
cars.
cars.
Nice. Very good. Okay, now look.
Door.
Great. Where is the doll? That's right. How about this one?
Train.
Amazing. Where is the train? Great job. Okay. How about this?
Plane.
Wow, well done. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You have one big candy. Okay, now look and write. What have you got? I've got a ball.
I got the ball.
Very good. Okay, now look. What have you got?
I have gone on robot.
Very good. Nice. Okay, look. What have you got? I've got.
I have door.
Okay, one more. I've got a doll.
I got the
Nice. Yay. Okay, now look. What have you got?
I have gone a dream.
Amazing, Uyen. Wow, well done. I've got a train. Give me a high five again. Nice. You have one candy for that. Okay, now look and circle. What have you got?
I, I have gone a bird.
Very good. Okay. What have you got?
I have door.
Nice. What have you got?
Have dream.
Very good. What have you got?
I have robot.
That's right. Give me a high five again. Wow, you are smart. You have one great job. Okay, now look and say, let's review. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, look. Where are the balls? Circle the balls.
Girl.
Very good. How many balls have you got?
Yes. Yes. Five.
Okay, one more. I've got five balls.
I got five ball.
Nice. How many dolls have you got? Wow. How many dolls have you got? How many? I've got.
I got five door.
Yay. Okay. How many cars have you got?
I have car. I have car. I have got a five car.
Okay, look, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many cars have you got?
I
I've
have
got
I have I have 9 car.
Yay! Give me a high five, Uyen. Great job. Okay, now are you ready to play? Okay,
Yes.
now look, listen, and write those words. Spell the word car. 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 Very good. Spell the word plane. Plane. Nice. Spell the word train. Train. Okay, one more. T R
T
A
R
I
A I N.
train. Okay, last one. Spell the word dull. Dull. Yay! Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You've got one big star for that. Okay, now what did you learn today? I learned
I learned
doll, car,
I learned uh, I learned a dog.
car, train, plane, and robot. Okay, now let's learn more. Okay, and let's sing along. Here it is, Uyen.
Toys, toys, toys. I like to share. Toys, toys.
Toys.
My name is Jane. I am a girl. I like to play. I have many toys I like to share. Let's play
Play
together.
together.
I have a doll.
A
A
dog.
I
doll.
have a house.
A
A
house.
I
house.
have a teddy.
A
A
teddy.
I
teddy.
have a puzzle.
A
I have
puzzle.
a book.
A
A
book.
book.
I have a music box.
Music
Music
box.
I
box.
have a yo-yo.
A
A
yo-yo.
I
yo-yo.
have a fox.
A
A
box.
fox.
Toys,
Toys.
toys,
Toys.
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 I
I
like to
like to
share.
share.
Toys,
Toys, toys.
Let's
Let's
play
do it
together.
together. Okay, now look and say doll,
doll,
dollhouse,
dollhouse,
teddy bear,
teddy bear,
yo-yo,
yo-yo,
book,
book,
plush pop,
black book, box,
music box,
music box,
puzzle.
puzzle.
Very good. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay. Look, listen, and say. House.
House,
Very good. Okay. Listen.
Teddy bear,
teddy bear,
Nice.
Puzzle.
puzzle,
Very good.
music box,
music box,
Great.
Yo-yo,
yo-yo,
Nice.
stuffed animal,
this, the mouse,
One more. Stop.
das,
Stop. Animal. Stop. Animal.
das, animal.
Very good. Okay, now look and read. What have you got?
I have got a teddy bear.
Okay. What toy do you like best?
I like,
I like teddy bear
I like
best.
teddy bear.
Great. Okay, now look and write. What have you got? I've got
I have got a music box. But
very good. Okay. What have you got?
I have got three, uh, uh,
Stop,
I have got three,
stop, animal.
I have three,
Three, stop,
three,
animal.
animal.
Great job. One more. I've got three stuffed animal.
I got three,
Yay. Okay, what have you got?
I have got, I have got
Puzzle, puzzle,
uh,
puzzle. All right. Now look, what have you got?
I have got teddy bear.
Yay! Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You have one great job. Okay. Now look and map. You can do it. There is one example. Music box.
Music box.
Very good. How about number 2? Stuffed animal. Stuffed animal. Okay, number 3. Puzzle. Puzzle. Z, z. Yay. Okay, number 4. House. House. Great job. Number 5. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Amazing. Number 6. Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Wow, well done. Give me a high five. Very good. Okay, you've got one big happy star. Great, Uyan. Okay, now Uyan, are you ready to play a game?
Yeah.
Great. Let's play a game. Look, read, and circle. It's a robot.
It's a robot.
Okay. It's a robot. Now your
It's
turn.
a robot.
Your turn. Mhm. What's this? Wait a minute.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, how about this?
It's a doll.
Very good. Where is
Doll.
the doll? Where is the doll? Try again. Doll. It's a doll. Okay, this one is what we call ball. Ball. Okay, now what about here?
It's a teddy bear.
Yay! Great job. Okay, how about this?
It's a ball.
Very good. Where is the ball? Amazing. Okay, last one.
It's a plane.
Where is the plane? Yay! Wow, give me a high five, Uyen. Great job. So you've got one happy star, one big star, one great job, another great job, and two candies. Keep up the good work. I hope you learned something. Okay, bye bye, Uyen.
Hello, teacher.
Bye.